Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 9, area of plane figures. In that exercise 9.1, question number 3, the data is given. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Given that ABCD is a quadrilateral. Okay, so simply I am drawing like this. Okay, I am giving the name A, B, C, D. This is what now? It is a quadrilateral. Now the length of diagonal AC is 10 centimeter. The length of diagonal. The length of diagonal, that is simply D, is equals to what now? The length of diagonal AC anta. The diagonal AC is equals to given 10 centimeters. And you just this is called what now? This is the diagonal. In a quadrilateral, AC is called what now? Diagonal. What is the length of the diagonal? It is given 10 centimeters. Now, the lengths of perpendiculars. The lengths of perpendiculars. The lengths of perpendiculars from B and D. From B and D on AC B 5 centimeter and 6 centimeters means the length of the perpendiculars from B. This is the height, nothing but what nana? Height from D. So what nana? The length of the perpendiculars ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి from B and from D on AC, that is given 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So you can take this is height 1 and this is height 2. You can take height 1, that is 5 centimeter, means height 2 you can consider it as 6 centimeters. Now I want to find the area of the ABCD, a quadrilateral ABCD. We know what is the formula. Area of a quadrilateral. Area of a quadrilateral is equals to, that is half into length of the diagonal. Length of the diagonal. Diagonal అంటే ఇక్కడ సింపుల్ గా నేను D అని రాస్తున్నా. That is nothing but what nana? AC. Length of the diagonal into sum of the parallel sides. Sum of the perpendiculars. Sum of the lengths of the perpendiculars అంటే h1 plus h2. h1 plus h2. What are the units now? Area is always square units. Now half into length of the diagonal. Length of the diagonal is given what nana? That is 10 centimeters. So I am writing 10 of h1 అంటే the length of the perpendiculars, that is h1 and h2, is given what? 5 centimeter, 6 centimeters. So I am writing in the place of h1 and h2. h1 means 5 centimeter and h2 means that is 6 centimeters. Area for is always square units. మనకి ఇచ్చిన యూనిట్స్ వచ్చేసి here centimeter, that's why square centimeters. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Now you can write the area of a quadrilateral is equals to, ఇక్కడ 1 5s అంటే 1 into 5, that is 5 of 5 plus 6 means that is 11 square centimeters. Then 5 into 11 is equals to 55 square centimeters. So therefore the area of a quadrilateral with the given measurements, that is what? 55 square centimeters. First. Okay students, now question number 4. So this is the given figure. In the adjacent figure, given that the data is given in the adjacent figure, the outer dimensions are 28 centimeter into 24 centimeter. 28 centimeter into 24 centimeter, and the inner dimensions are what? 20 centimeter and 16 centimeter, and the inner dimensions are 20 centimeter into 16 centimeters. Then find the area of the shaded part. ఈ షేడెడ్ ఫ్రేమ్ యొక్క ఏరియాని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నారు. సో యూ అబ్జర్వ్ క్లియర్లీ హియర్. ఓకే, యూ అబ్జర్వ్ ద ఫిగర్ నానా. See here, this is the outer dimension 28 centimeter. Okay na, 24 centimeter. Inner dimension 20 centimeter, 16 centimeter. From here to here only. Okay, from here to here only 16 centimeter. Simply, if I do like this, then approximately here, exactly from here to here 16 centimeter. Then what is the outer dimension length? That is 24 centimeters. But the widths are same అన్నాడు. In question is given widths are same. అంటే width అంటే ఇది. సో సేమ్ ఉంటే ఇక్కడ రిమైనింగ్ ఎంత ఉంది? 24 సెంటీమీటర్ నుంచి మనం 16 సెంటీమీటర్ మైనస్ చేస్తే we get 24 minus 16 means we get 8. ఓకేనా? అంటే 8 సెంటీమీటర్ వస్తుంది మనకి. ఈ 8 సెంటీమీటర్ అనేది ఈ విడ్త్ ఈక్వల్ విడ్త్ ఉండాలి అంటే we get here 4 centimeter, and here also what is the width nana? We get 4 centimeter. Then only 4 plus 16 20, 20 plus 4 24. It is equal to the outer dimension. Okay now. So now I am taking here only the shaded part. Only ఈ shaded part ఇక్కడ డ్రా చేస్తున్నాను. So what is the width? ఈ డయాగ్రామ్ లో ఈ షేడెడ్ పార్ట్ విడ్త్ దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు హైట్ ఆఫ్ ద ట్రెఫిజియం. అంటే ద ఫిగర్స్ లుక్స్ లైక్ ఏ ట్రెఫిజియం ఆర్ నాట్. అంటే ఓన్లీ వన్ పేర్ ఆఫ్ ప్యారలల్ సైడ్స్. So this is the trapezium. Now I am going to find the area of the shaded part, and simply the area of a trapezium. Okay, now see here, the area of a shaded part, and that is nothing but what nana? Trapezium. Means a shaded part వచ్చేసి మనకి trapezium shape లో ఉంది. Is equals to what is the area of a trapezium formula? Area of a trapezium formula ఏంట్రా? That is half into h into, okay na, sum of parallel sides. What are the units? That is the square units. Ante you can take 20 centimeter is A and 28 centimeter is B. Ante these two are the parallel sides. Sum of parallel sides means ఈ రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేయాలి. And this is what nana? Height of a trapezium. So I am going to write here half into h. What is the height? The height of a trapezium is given what nana? అంటే మనం find out చేస్తే we get 4 centimeter. 4 of sum of parallel sides. These are the parallel sides. This one and this one. These are the parallel sides. అంటే do not intersect. So 20 centimeter, 28 centimeter. Sum means adding. 20 plus 28. Units are given centimeter. That's why square units means that is square centimeters. Now 2 ones are 2 twos are, then 2 of 20 plus 48 ante 20 plus 28 means we get that is 48 square centimeters. 2 into 48 means what? That is 96 square centimeters. Then with the given measurements, so the shaded part, what is the area of the shaded part, Nana? That is 96 square centimeters. So this is the required answer for that question. Pass. Okay students, now coming to the question number 6, the data is given like this. This is the data for the 6th question. Given that the ratio of the length of the parallel sides of a trapezium is given 5:3. What Dana? Not the lengths of the trapezium, the ratio of the length of the parallel sides of a trapezium is equals to 5:3. So I taken it as 5x, 3x. Now the distance between them 16 centimeter. అంటే ఆ టూ parallel sides కి మధ్యలో ఉన్న distance, this is called what Nana? Height of a trapezium, that is 16 centimeters. And area of a trapezium is equals to 960 square centimeters. Then find the lengths of the parallel sides. Now for your understanding purpose, I am going to draw the figure. We know this is a parallelogram. Yes students, this is what now? You can take like this, one pair of parallel sides. Okay, this is a parallelogram. I am giving the name A, B, sorry, it is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. Okay, now these are the parallel sides, one pair of parallel sides. The distance between them, and what is the height? The height of a trapezium is given what Nana here? Indirect height of a trapezium is 16 centimeters. And the ratio of the length of the parallel sides of a trapezium is 5:3 another. Then we can take it as 3x, then we can take it as 5x. Then what is the formula? The area of a trapezium is equals to area of a trapezium is equals to, that is half into h into a plus b, అంటే half into height of a trapezium into sum of the lengths of parallel sides, that is a plus b. Area is always what Nana? Square units. అంటే క్లియర్గా మనకి ఇచ్చాడు the given data, area of a trapezium is equals to 960 square centimeters, already given. So that's why I'm writing area of a trapezium place lo మనం ఏం రాయొచ్చు directly 960 square centimeters is equals to half into h. Height of a trapezium is nothing but distance between them, that is equals to 16 centimeter. Of a means that is 3x, b means that is 5x, 3x plus 5x. Okay, now 2 ones are 2 8s are, 2 ones are 2 8s are. Then we can write it as 960 square centimeter is equals to 8 centimeter of 8 plus 3 plus 5 ante we get what Nana? 8x. అంటే 3x plus 5x అంటే we get 8x. Then 8 centimeter కూడా ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేస్తే LHS side it becomes into point, it becomes division point. 960 square centimeters by 8 centimeters. Simply centimeter square centimeter cancel. 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 zeros are 0. అంటే 8 120s are we get 960. That is equals to here what Nana? 8x is there. Only I transposed 8 only, not 8x. 8x ఇక్కడ ఉంది. Then we get like this. 120 is equals to 8x. ఈ 8ని కూడా ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేస్తే మనకేమొస్తుంది ఇక్కడ we get 120/8 is equals to x will come. Okay na, 120/8 is equals to, here 8 ones are 8, 8 fives are 40, అంటే 15 8s are what now 120 will come. Then we get x is equals to, that is 15 centimeter. X is equals to 15 centimeter. Now 3x is equals to, that is 3 into 15 centimeter, that is equals to 45 centimeter, and 5x is equals to, that is 5 into 15 centimeter, that is equals to 75 centimeters. So 45 centimeter means 3x, 75 centimeter means that is 5x. This is the length of the parallel sides of a trapezium. So this is the required solution for that question. Thank you.